Okay, so for sources 3 and 4, we're going to be using a different database than the SIRS Issues Researcher. We're going to be going to the Gale database and practicing some of the things we've taken notes on as far as searching and peer-reviewed sources. So you're going to go to the ClassLink Launchpad, which I know we haven't used much. You'll log yourself into that using Google. Then you're going to go to Library Resources, and Gale Cengage is right here. And it's going to pull up the products page. I got it way blown up there. There we go. And you're going to scroll down to middle high school and find Academic 1 file. Academic 1 file. And you'll click on that. And it brings you to this page here. Actually, I'm sorry, it's going to bring you to a login page. And you're going to log into that using our school login, which you can find in the instructions of the assignment in our Google Classroom. Then it'll bring you to this page. So then I want you to go to Advanced Search right below the generic search bar here. Go to Advanced Search. And we did those notes for types of sources and other research minutia. So you'll do your search here, but before you start doing your search and using these Boolean operators and that, you're going to scroll down a little bit to peer-reviewed journals here. And you're going to select peer-reviewed journals so that you're getting journal articles that have been reviewed through a group of experts that are experts in the field that the topic is over. Then you can start doing your search. So I can search witch trials, for example. Now I know that I'm going to come up with a lot about Salem, and maybe I'm researching European witch trials. So I will put not as a limiter, as a operator, not Salem, because I don't want Salem witch trials. Then I can do my search. Then it's going to pull up some articles based on that. Here, popular religion in Germany and Central Europe, 1400 to 1800. That might have something in it. You'll see some things don't apply. And which is pyre. I may have to do some looking before I really find something that I want. The second one here. Nightmare experience, sleep paralysis, and witchcraft accusations. So this one looks like sleep paralysis and nightmares might have led to some people accusing people of witchcraft. And so I'll read through the article. This is a very long article in this case. And you're going to fill out your note sheets. Of course, the first thing you have to do to fill out your note sheet is provide the MLA citation. And in the Issues Researcher that we used before, the ProQuest Issues Researcher, you had a box here with your control buttons. Here, those controls are right up here. So to cite, you'll click the Cite button. It'll probably say MLA 9th as the underlined one, which is what you want. Make sure it says that. And then you can select and you can control copy, and you can paste that into that space on your note sheets. After that, of course, you're going to do your 2 direct quotes where you find passages from your article that you might want to use as direct quotes in your paper with quotation marks around it. Then you'll do your summary over the article. I caution you. You need to write your summary in your own words. With a really long article like this, I want you to have a little bit longer summary. If it's a short article, you can have a shorter summary. But remember also, a shorter article is going to be less information when you go to write. And it's going to make it harder for you to write your paper. So don't shirk teaching yourself and learning about your topic now, because that's going to help you write a better paper. And this is self-education, which is what I'm trying to teach you, that you can educate yourself, that you don't necessarily need a teacher there. You've done 13 years of education at this point, 12 years of education, and you can embrace your own education for whatever topic you want to learn more about. So that's what you're doing for sources 3 and 4 of this database.